Day number one of my trading career, day trading actually. This is my office, and I'm gonna give you guys my life story. So this is gonna be a long video. In mid 2024, our job in the Houston area ended, so we relocated to San Antonio, Texas. We collected unemployment for 6 months. We sold our home in Houston. We sold 2 4-acre lots in Yancey, Texas, on payments. So we got a little bit of money and then monthly payments every month. And we looked for ways to make money online. That didn't go well because everybody's selling you their course and their training, and it's all, we've gone through a lot of them, from real estate to all kinds of stuff, and nothing seems to be, they don't seem to be doing what they're supposed to be selling you or what they're supposed to be coaching you on. So I've done real estate investing. We're working on selling our properties. We got 75 Avery across the street from us, and that thing is $79,000. It's got sewer, it's got septic, and it's got electric. Those 3 things are like $10,000 each, and it's almost an acre. It's 0.69 of an acre, so a little bit over half an acre, and a little less than 3/4 of an acre. We also have 15 20-acre lots in West Texas for $29,000 for 20 acres. That's a little bit more than $1,000 an acre. They're in the middle of nowhere, but they're beautiful. I mean, I love going over there. We have a house that is worth not a lot, pretty much is a tear down, in Jasonville, Indiana, which is about half an hour south of Terre Haute, if anybody knows where the heck that is. We're working on selling that. It's got 3 lots, so you can build 3 houses on that thing. It's over an acre of land and house, which had, I think it had a septic or whatever, but it had electric and water, so the utilities are there. So I looked into trading online, and I got this guy, and I had a Zoom call with him. So I never do anything before I pray about it, and then I have my wife co-pilot and Google research, and that brought up between my wife, Google, and co-pilot gave us TJR trades. So a 21-year-old kid, I'm like I'm about 4 decades older than him, but he motivated me so much that I decided to go into day trading. So I'm gonna link his first video that I saw at the bottom of this video, so you can follow him. And I'm gonna show you the homework that he gave us. And I'm probably not gonna edit this much. So this is the video that I'm gonna link to you guys from January 24th when I saw it, which is just about commitment and take action. That's not day number 1. Day number 2, which I did on the same day. Actually, my wife had decided to watch it with me, so we learned about sticks and wicks and all those whatevers that we're still pretty much lost, but I wanted to record my journey with him throughout the days. I got the homework. I did my homework over here, and then this is day number 3, which we did on the same day. So we finished 3 days on the same day. So now what we're gonna do here, now he's asking us to do homework, which is pretty much get out of your comfort zone. And I was already doing a lot of stuff that I believed it was good for me. I'm gonna show you guys all over my house, and keep in mind, I'm gonna take the book with me. Keep in mind, excuse the stuff everywhere. Remember, we sold our Houston home and relocated to San Antonio, so we have 2 houses into one. We put everything that we had into 2 houses into one. That's why it looks so crowded. We are working on selling that bunk bed and all. This is my gym. TJR is saying to get out of your comfort zone. I had already done this. Try meditating on this thing with just a t-shirt on. This is my pillow. This is all I put on my pillow, just to keep those things from ripping into my skin. So he's saying to get out of your comfort zone and do something that is really hard for you to do, and do it every day. So I had a couple of things that I was already doing, which was, got it right here. Actually, they're at the bottom. My fault. I got a couple of the companies that I have over there for supplements and healthy habits and healthy water and all kinds of stuff. So the first thing was to meditate and pray before I get up. That was pretty easy. Workout number 2 is I keep looking up there. Number 2 is workout. I was doing that, but the other one that was supposed to be really good for me was take a cold shower. I started doing that on November 15th. So far I skipped 1 day that I went hunting, and I skipped 3 days that I was hunting out west, and there was like no water, no toilet, no nothing. So I kind of couldn't take a cold shower in the morning. So, but I've been struggling to do all these things like every day. I mean, I've done them and I've done good. Cold shower, it's kind of challenging, but I was doing it okay. As soon as I got up after meditation and praying, then drinking healthy water, piece of cake. Appreciate all things, piece of cake. But now what I'm going to do, that I wrote down over here as homework for the kid TJR, is I'm gonna start going to sleep early, because between making videos and trying to figure out how to make videos and how to put them on YouTube and I was going to sleep at about midnight or 2 a.m., 1 a.m. and sleeping until 7 a.m. So I was sleeping about my 7 hours, but he said to pick something that was really hard for you to do. So one of the things that I decided to pick, go to sleep early. I gotta cut down all my distractions. I'm eliminating my distractions, and sleep my 7 hours, meditate and pray before getting up, worked out, cold shower. So I'm going to keep doing the same thing. The only thing that I'm going to do that is going to be really hard for me is to take I'm gonna start working out as soon as I get up, because if I work out after I take my cold shower, then it takes me forever. Sometimes I end up working out at about noon or 1. So when I'll show you my setup over here. I do my HIIT workout over here. And I have a watch, I have a clock right over there. So what I do is I run as fast as I can on there for 45 seconds on that thing. And then I walk for 15 seconds. And I do it again, I do 5 minutes of that. I do my weights right there, I do my stretching, I do that. So anyway, and he said to keep track of our progress, he told us to do something weird, which was take a picture of us and take a picture of us a month later or every day, or I don't even know. So I gotta take a picture of me naked. Nah, just kidding. Not naked, but without a shirt. So I'm gonna take all this stuff off. So hopefully you can hear me. So I can. Oh, and if this thing doesn't date me, check it out, check it out. Probably not. I know that it's got some people that are not, that are probably as old as me. And I'm just happy to be coached by a 21-year-old kid with a $2 million home in Puerto Rico, that the haters say that it's an Airbnb, whatever. So this is as far as I'm gonna get. He said to do front and back, so I got to get in shape. I was doing good, but I still gotta work on my belly. If you can see my back, I don't know. I know I have the rolls over here somewhere. I've seen them. I know they're there. So anyway, this is gonna be a long video. Hopefully a month from now I will look a lot better. I'm working on losing a little bit of weight. So remember, if you want to see my journey, my day trading journey, I'm gonna start it today, January 24th, 2025, at 60 years old. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll be putting videos of my homework and what I do every day on this channel. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and hasta la vista. Adios, amigos.